Here the question is asking about k-means clustering. So k is 2 here, so there are only two means. And the idea is very simple. You have 2 points and say you have 4 points, and you randomly generate a cluster center called C1 and randomly generate another one called C2. And you find all the points that are closer to C1 and call this cluster 1, and find all the points that are closer to C2 called cluster 2, and then you update the center to be the actual center between the points. So this is the updated C2, this is the updated C1 in between. So here is exactly that. So at the beginning, you have random cluster centers as 3 and 13. So these two numbers are closer to 3. So these two belong to cluster 1, and these two belong to cluster 2. So we have a situation like this. And then we're going to update C1 to 6, which is the average or the midpoint between these. And C2 prime update to the midpoint between these. And then you repeat the same thing.